Hey everybody, Steve here from LPIF. Yeah, I want to set the stage for this trip that we're going to be taking with my family. And so this is just a little overview of some important locations throughout the foster family life. If you check the comments, make sure to like and subscribe. And I also have a little tutorial that I post there as far as how exactly to do this map for whatever it is that you'd like to do, whether you're a teacher, just a person out there that wants to be able to make a map like this. It's actually pretty straightforward and simple, and it's part of the Google Suite. So pretty good feature. So as you can see here, we have all of the different locations. I also have another layer that I could bring about if I'd like, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to focus on this one. I was born in 1979. My wife, Crystal, there's her and her dad, born in 1981. Crystal and me met in Vesco Field at Mile High in 2005. Jets versus the Broncos. We were in the upper level nosebleeds. This photo is not us at that game. It is at a later game. We're still on the Broncos season ticket waiting list. Hopefully we'll get the call for that in the next couple of years. Then we had Iris. Our first little bundle of joy was born 2012 at Rose Medical Center. And if you were to zoom all the way in here, you'd see that it actually goes to Rose Medical Center. So we were engaged all the way over here in Paris. So there is Paris. Here's some of the photos that we have. We had a nice dinner with a view of the Eiffel Tower. And there is the ring. Then we were married in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Beautiful little town. There's our wedding pictures. Crystal with her dad. We got married kind of out by a farm outside of Steamboat. Very beautiful location. Thanks to Josh Arden for the photos. There's our wedding. All of the attendees. Love you guys. And then we had our second, Talise, was born at the Anschutz Medical Campus, UC Health in Aurora. So again, as long as you put that actual location in a spreadsheet, it'll just upload it automatically. Check the comments for the link to that. Then we made a major life decision and moved out to Durango. So we had been in the Front Range of Colorado. We moved to Durango for the good life. So this is off of Kennebec Pass. And yeah, we're still in Durango here as of August of 2023. No plans to move. But last but not least, we have the adventure beginning. This is going to be January of 2024 from Los Angeles International Airport. Stay tuned as far as locations and more details. All right, guys. Take care.